We're learning more about why a judge hit the pause button on the case against the truck driver charged in the crash that killed 6 people 2 years ago.
Benjamin Brewer's trial was supposed to begin today, but late last week, new material discovered by the attorneys forced the judge to postpone it. Channel 3's Michelle Herron explains what happens next.
We don't know when the Benjamin Brewer case will go to trial, but today Judge Don Poole ruled that it would be unfair to move forward with this new information. These blood tests show Benjamin Brewer had methamphetamine and amphetamine in his system at the time of the I-75 crash that killed 6 people in 2015. But the amount in his system is in question. Brewer's attorneys discovered last week an NTSB lab tested Brewer's blood and found half of what the TBI's test found. With the 13 counts against Brewer relating to impairment, Mike Little argued Monday the difference is important to the case.
And now that there's a new or a subsequent or a second testing that's been brought to our attention, it casts doubt on the TBI result.
An NTSB accident report released a year and a half after the crash notes the discrepancy, but says a number of factors could have played a role, like a 2-month difference in when the tests were conducted. Prosecutors argue despite the amount of drugs in Brewer's system at the time of the crash, it's still illegal.
The statute doesn't quantify that you can have so much meth in your blood and it's per se to be impaired or not. It's any level of methamphetamine in your system is contrary to state law.
Now a case that's taken nearly 2 years to prepare for will take even longer. But Judge Poole says it's the right thing to do.
Rather than waiting a year or 2 years or 3 years or 4 years to have an appellate court, a post-conviction court, a writ of error court, a state court, a federal court to rule that the case was not fair.
A new jury will be selected and sequestered in Chattanooga to hear the case, which will include this new evidence. Attorneys on both sides will meet back here again on Wednesday to decide on that new date. Reporting in Hamilton County, I'm Michelle Herron, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
The first jury was selected from Davidson County, and it's unclear if the new jury will be selected from there as well.